All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Tesla Model Y. I'm in my Model Y long range, and I want to talk about Tesla's referral program because it seems like now the referral program has a better incentive for someone to use a referral code when you're ordering a new Tesla because you're getting money off and free full self-driving package for 3 months when ordering a new Tesla. So now we're in July 2023. It seems like back in 2022 there really wasn't any incentives for using referral codes. Really just for the solar program, and that was because back in 2022, 2021, demand was just off the charts, and Tesla could sell every car they made, no problem. Demand was not an issue. Now demand's a little more of an issue. Now that it seems like recession's kind of coming in, interest rates are high, so it's more expensive to buy vehicles, and so Tesla's got the referral program now, where if you use a referral code, you can get $500 off a Model 3 or Y, or $1,000 off an S or an X, and 3 free months of full self-driving package, kind of like as a free trial for the first 3 months of owning the vehicle. So that's a big incentive to get to use a referral code when you're ordering a new Tesla. So if you don't have a referral code or you don't know anyone, guys, I'll leave mine down below. If you want to use mine, that'd be great. That'd be awesome. But another incentive for like someone like me to refer someone to buy a Tesla is there's credits. So like I get some credits that I can redeem. The cool thing is there's a Tesla CyberTruck giveaway that you can redeem with these credits. So for 500 referral credits, I can enter this, or anyone can enter the Tesla CyberTruck giveaway. Tesla's going to give away one of the first Cybertrucks off the production line to one of their, they're going to randomly draw kind of a drawing or a raffle. And if you're entered in, you have the chance to win that. The first Cybertruck off the production line, which is going to be really cool, which should be only a couple months away, September, October timeframe probably. We should be seeing more information on the release date and the event. Usually Tesla has like an event where they release the vehicle, they tell about all the information, the specs. The last one we had was the semi-truck, and that was pretty cool to watch. And they deliver like an initial batch of vehicles, so they'll probably have that. They'll probably have some deliveries of the Cybertruck and releasing. But I'm curious to see what the specs are on the Cybertruck. Probably going to see Cybertruck come in under $80,000 because that's the threshold for the getting the truck on the tax credit. So if it's $79,000, you get $7,500 off if you qualify for the tax credit. That brings it down to close to $72,000. That's still pricey for a truck, but in the truck market though, it's not out of the question. The Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum is like $91,000, which is crazy. But there's speculation out there on the web. Obviously, everyone's speculating on what the specs are going to be, but there's some people saying that they've talked to some credible sources where there's going to be the initial Cybertruck's going to be a 4-motor, so quad motor, a motor on each wheel, and then only 350 miles of range, which that would be a little bit disappointing because all of us that have Cybertruck reservations, which is pretty much everyone, we're really enticed by seeing a 500-mile range for $69,000. And so, granted, even if it's $10,000 more, $79,000, you'd expect it to be around 500 miles of range. So it'd be a little bit disappointing just because if you're going to use that truck for what it's meant to, and that is towing, payload, heavy-duty use, off-roading, you're going off trails and things where you're not going to be that close to chargers or superchargers. You're going to want to have that bigger range because it's going to allow you to use the truck how you want to use it, especially when it comes to using superchargers and you're towing. When you're towing, I don't know of too many supercharge stations that allow a trailer to be connected to the vehicle and conveniently be able to pull into the supercharger station. I mean, all the ones that I stop at that are around my area and the areas that I travel in, most of them, you would have to disconnect the trailer, back in, reconnect, and leave, and it's just going to cause kind of a hassle. So that's going to be interesting to see what the actual range of the Cybertruck is and what the pricing is when it's finally released. Also, along those lines, is Model 3 is getting supposed update here soon, and it looks like Tesla's trying to sell more Model 3s as if they have a lot of existing inventory. If I go on the website and look at existing inventory in my area, there's quite a few options, and they're discounted $2,000 to almost $2,500. And then if you tack on an extra on the referral code, that's almost $3,000 you can get off of a Model 3 right now, because there's just it seems like there's a lot of inventory in Tesla, and there's probably a lot of people waiting for this Highland version of the Model 3 to come out. So the demand is probably a little bit waning when it comes to the Model 3 right now. But towards the end of the year, we should see this update, and it would be cool to see what those updates are on Model 3. Guys, so this is just kind of an update video. Be sure to use a referral code if you're going to order a new Tesla. Don't leave $500 on the table. That's easy money to get off these cars. Use mine, use someone else's. Just take advantage of that money. And getting that free full self-driving package for 3 months, I think is cool, because that's going to give you enough time to see whether or not you like it. If it's worth buying it, you could pay the $15,000 and buy it outright, or subscribe to it for $200 a month. It's at least worth trying it. So some cool incentives right now. Guys, leave your comments down below. I'm curious to know, would you buy this Cybertruck if it's $79,000 and only 350 miles of range? If that's what the initial one, I'm curious if you would, what you would do. I might wait. Honestly, I might wait if that's the case. I was really excited to see a Cybertruck with over 500 miles of range. I don't know. Be interesting to see. Leave your comment down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.